Hello, everyone. Welcome to Educational Hub. Researchers, imagine having an AI assistant that can scan millions of academic papers, summarize evidence, build literature reviews, and even help write your PhD proposal in minutes. Sounds unreal, right? Well, today I'm going to show you one of the most powerful AI research tools researchers are using right now, Consensus. With access to more than 200 million peer-reviewed research papers, Consensus doesn't just search articles, it actually understands the literature. You can ask research questions in plain English, get evidence-based answers with yes or no insights, generate comparison tables, explore citations, and even create complete literature syntheses backed by real academic sources. But here's where it becomes even more powerful. When you integrate Consensus with Claude, you unlock an advanced research workflow that can help you write systematic literature reviews, design professional CVs, prepare grant-winning research proposals, and generate fully referenced academic documents with incredible speed. So in this video, I'll show you exactly how researchers can use Consensus in their daily academic workflow, and how combining it with Claude can completely transform research writing and data analysis. Once you log in, you'll see different research modes depending on your needs. In the Pro version, you can analyze up to 10 papers at once, while the Deep Research mode can synthesize insights from up to 50 papers in a single run. One thing I really like about Consensus is its filtering system. You can filter papers by publication year, journal type, citation count, methodology, field of study, and even by country. This makes it much easier to narrow down high-quality research relevant to your topic. For example, I asked the platform, how can artificial intelligence impact on academic research? After selecting Deep Mode, Consensus started analyzing thousands of relevant studies and gradually narrowed them down into the most suitable papers for the review. The tool automatically mapped research gaps, identified major themes, synthesized findings, and created a complete evidence-based report. What makes this impressive is that you can actually track the entire process live. You can see how many papers are being scanned, which studies are included, and which articles contribute the strongest evidence to your topic. The generated report includes everything from foundational concepts and methodology to discussions, timelines, evidence tables, and key research contributions. You can also open any cited paper, check whether the PDF is available, and even review summaries of the study methods and outcomes. The final document is highly organized and includes sections like introduction, search strategy, selected studies, discussion, evidence strength, and references, all automatically structured from the academic literature. Now let's take it one step further. By connecting Consensus with Claude through the connector feature, you can use academic evidence directly inside Claude's workflow. That means every response Claude generates can include proper references and citations pulled from real research papers. For instance, I asked Claude to write a PhD research proposal on impact of social media on youth. Within minutes, it generated a complete proposal, including abstract, introduction, research objectives, methodology, significance of the study, timeline, budget estimation, expected outcomes, ethical considerations, references. And the best part is that the document was professionally structured and fully customizable. You can specify the university name, page length, writing style, or the exact details you want included. I also tested it for writing a systematic literature review on impact of social media on youth, and it generated a detailed academic document with thousands of words covering methodology, research questions, study selection, data sources, AI applications, and references, all ready to be refined further for publication or thesis work. This is exactly why Consensus has become one of the most popular AI research tools in academia. It combines evidence-based research analysis with AI-powered writing assistance, making the entire research process faster, smarter, and more organized. Thanks for watching. If you want to explore the tool yourself, check the link in the description and try the free trial. And if you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more informative videos.